So hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get a more fluffier bob with a curling iron. So guys, I just washed my hair and I'm going to show you guys, like I said in the beginning of the video, how I get like more volume with the curling iron. No flat iron, just curling iron. My hair is freshly relaxed. I did post that relaxer retouch before this video, so make sure you guys check that out. I will leave it in the cards. So I'm just going to take my brush, my round blow dry brush. You guys, I haven't got a new blow dryer and I just keep using this one, but I need to get a blow dryer because I miss using the comb attachment and also round brushing the top of my hair. I guess it's just I'm just used to it, that's why I just miss it. But anyway, this one works just fine. I'm just, once I get to the top, I'm just round brushing it up forward just to make sure I get a little height at the top. And then for the front, I'm just brushing from side to side, y'all. It's not really that big a deal. Then I'm going to push just all my hair to the front and I'm going to start to curl. So I'm going to show you guys a slower clip of this, but I'm just going to take the curling iron. I don't know why I do that. I've been doing that since I was a hairstylist. I always bring the hair out to maybe a 90-degree angle, and I'm just going to make sure I curl my hair at the base. And then I just roll the curling iron out instead of just lifting it up. Like here you guys can see, and then the hair that's sticking out of the curling iron, we call those fish hooks. You don't want any fish hooks because that'll leave a line of demarcation. So I'm trying not to do that. I just continue to click and click the curling iron and roll my wrist. So I'm gonna do that around my whole entire the back of my hair. And then you guys can see here, make sure it's out at a 90-degree angle. I start at the base just so I can make sure it gets as smooth as possible in the curling iron because I'm not using any curlers, but I don't want it to be really flat because I'm using a curling iron. Now I want volume. So you guys just see I just did the same thing, and then I'm just gonna twist. You guys are gonna see me pop. You see that finger pops the curling iron, and then I roll and roll out, and you see how it creates a C in the hair. That's what you want. Then at this bottom part, I'm just gonna spray some Sebastian hairspray, because sometimes the back and the lower part of the hair does not get hairspray. And if y'all hair don't look like this after y'all curl it, it was not done right. Everything needs to be set out like back in the day, like when we saw I forgot the mom from Moesha or Bill Cosby. That's how their hair looked, and them curls stayed a lot long. So I did that and combed it out, and I just love combing my hair out after I do this. It's just so fluffy, and I just been enjoying my hair. I made it into a little bang here. I can't keep my hair like this because I do have to start work soon. So you guys are gonna see how I just push it behind my ear. It kind of gives it a more sleeker, modern look. But I love this. Girl, don't let me put no makeup on, a little brow, a little lash, a little lip. Girl, please. So this is how you use the curling iron. I hope you guys tried. If you guys ever tried it before, leave it down below. You can use rollers, but the curling iron just works quicker instead of waiting all those hours under the dryer. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all.